Hey, I'm Devarshi, co-founder and CEO of Lumeo. We're a video analytics platform that makes it super easy to deploy all sorts of video analytics on the edge using devices like Seeds, NVIDIA-based, Jetson-based boxes. I'm going to show you a little bit about Lumeo, and you'll see it in action. So the big part about Lumeo is we curated a large number of vision AI models that can be used in order to build the analytics as you go. And as soon as this loads, you'll be able to see that. Yeah, okay, there you go. So we have a range of different models: people detection, vehicles, hard hat, generic models of all sorts. We partner to kind of bring new models onto the marketplace so you can actually build analytics with it. Now, once you have the models, Lumeo's unique part is you can actually build rules and logic around those models that you can use to build business solutions. So for example, if you want to look at how long cars are being parked in a given area, you can pair a vehicle detection model with rules that count the length of the time that it's been there to build a solution for tracking overtime parking. Or maybe you want to actually detect when a moving forklift is next to a person to send out real-time alerts so that you can prevent accidents and improve safety and ergonomics. And you can do that kind of capabilities with Lumeo as well. And lastly, we can make it so that you can take any of these analytics, like in this case, a compliance analytic, and completely tune and tweak the analytic using a cloud-based drag and drop tool. This tool allows you to add and mix match different kinds of models. It allows you to integrate with partner-based models to build models, and even sort of integrate with GPT-4, for instance, to let you run model checks using GPT-4 against models that are captured using real-time video. Besides the models, our library of capabilities allows you to augment and process the data from these models using rules, like in this case, a scene change detection or a line crossing detection, occupancy, or you can actually go ahead and build your own custom rules using Python code in order to build a completely custom analytics. Now, all of these analytics can then be deployed to run at the click of a button on a Seed device. And so what you're seeing here is a set of gateways, which are gateways that can actually run a NVIDIA Jetson device. It can process this. We actually have a Seed device right here. Right here. And this one actually can find all the cameras because it's running Lumeo software on it. You can find the cameras, you can connect to those cameras, and you can actually deploy analytics to it using these pipelines that we've just built. So you can actually take one of these simple sort of analytics for people counting and take a video sourced right here, and essentially be able to draw and configure where these lines are, so configure the analytic right from the cloud and deploy it to, let's just say, we configure some trigger conditions here, and you deploy this. At this point, Lumeo packages up all the models that are required to run this analytic and pushes it down to the device. It optimizes these models, and then it starts running the analytic right here. And so at this point, you can go back, you can configure, and you can view the outputs right here. Let me actually do this. There you go. It's actually running. You can play the video streams right in the cloud dashboard, or you can actually take any of this data and push it out to a Lumeo dashboard to visualize. So this is what we're seeing here, which is a lot of this data is processed on the edge on this device, and then it's being sent to the cloud for reporting and analytics purposes as well. Now, some of the recent capabilities that we launched allow you to do run generative AI models using these pipelines on these devices. And so, for example, in this case, we're actually capturing all the event-based clips. When something happens, we index them. So we can actually go back and then search for a person sitting on a couch And because these videos have been indexed on the edge, they can now actually go and quickly find instances where there's somebody in that video that is actually sitting, on the couch. So this uses the power of generative AI models to bring practical capabilities to people that need it. We're a cloud partner for Seed. We're super excited to have launched the Lumeo Ready gateways in partnership with Seed. They've actually been a pretty meaningful game changer for our customers, because what this allows our customers to do is to buy a box that is ready to be installed, use a web interface to quickly set it up in the field, and start running analytics from the cloud. It actually makes it super easy for integrators and end users. Now this is just another appliance like you might set up a router, and it actually makes it super easy to deploy analytics out in the field as well.